Here is your tropical storm update. I'm Tropical Storm Arthur for 8 a.m. Florida time, 7 a.m. headquarters time.
Arthur moving north-northeastward. Tropical storm Arthur is centered at 8 a.m. EDT about 355 miles, 575 kilometers south-southwest of Cape Hatteras, North Carolina. It's moving toward the north-northeast near 9 miles per hour, 15 kilometers per hour. A turn toward the northeast with an increase in forward speed is expected to occur during the next 24 to 48 hours. On the forecast track, Arthur will remain well offshore the east coast of Florida, Georgia, and South Carolina today, and then move near or just east of the coast of North Carolina on Monday. Maximum sustained winds are near 40 miles per hour, 65 kilometers per hour, with higher gusts. Tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 80 miles, 130 kilometers, from the center. Some strengthening is forecast to occur during the next 48 hours. Arthur is likely to lose its tropical characteristics on Tuesday. A tropical storm warning is in effect for Surf City to Duck, North Carolina, including Pamlico and Albemarle Sound. Tropical storm conditions are expected within the warning area on Monday. Arthur is expected to produce total rain accumulations of 1 to 3 inches over coastal North Carolina tonight and Monday, with locally higher amounts. Swells generated by Arthur are affecting portions of the east coast of central and north Florida. These swells are expected to spread northward during the next few days, and could cause life-threatening surf and rip current conditions across much of the U.S. southeast and mid-Atlantic coasts. Please consult products from your local weather office. www.weather.gov. The next completed advisory will be issued by NHC at 11 a.m. EDT. Hurricanes.gov.
There was your tropical storm Arthur update for 8 a.m. Florida time.